Let's use Tvm Solver to solve problems related to mortgages. We take out a 30-year loan of $200,000 at 6.2% annual interest compounded monthly. Find the monthly payment. Here's a reminder of how we access Tvm Solver on the TI-83 or 84. Again, we enter the values we know, put our cursor at the value we don't know, and then press Solve. Here's a reminder of what those things mean on Tvm Solver. So again, to access Tvm Solver, we turn the calculator on, press Apps, Finance is what we want, Tvm Solver is what we want, and here's what our screen looks like. This is just a reminder of what N, I, etc. equal. So in this particular case, N is the number of compounding periods. Since the loan is for 30 years and there are 12 months in a year, the number of compounding periods is 30 times 12. Yes, we know that's 360, but we don't need to do that. Let the calculator do the work. The interest rate is 6.2%, so enter that. And again, we don't enter it as a decimal. Don't enter 0.062. Just enter it as a percent, as just 6.2. Present value. Again, present value is the amount of the loan. In this case, since we're borrowing $200,000, let's enter $200,000. Payment is what we don't know, so we could leave that as 0. You can leave that as anything. Future value, that's nothing. There is no future value, so we just enter that. Payments per year, compounding periods per year, those are both 12. And again, we move the cursor to payment, since that was what we don't know, and then we press Solve. So move the cursor up to payment, and press Solve, that's alpha, and enter. And we get 1224.94. So it comes out as negative 1224.94 because that's money that's coming out of our pocket. So in other words, $1,224.94. Let's say we owe $120,000 on our mortgage. We refinance with a 30-year loan at 5.35%. Closing costs are $5,000. Find the new monthly payment. So everything's the same, many things are the same, and is still 30 times 12, which is 360. The interest rate, well, the interest rate's a little bit different. It's no longer the 6.2%, now it's 5.35%. Oops, sorry, not 5.65, 5.35. The present value, the amount of the loan, it's not $120,000, rather it's $125,000, because not only do you have to pay the $120,000 loan, but you also have to pay those $5,000 in closing costs. Everything else is the same. The payment is what we don't know, so let's scroll down to that. Press Solve, in other words, alpha, enter. And our payment is $698.01. Well, it comes out as negative $698.01, really negative $698.02. That means $698.02.